truth that you are a slave. Like everyone else, you were born into bondage, born into a prison for your mind.
Greetings. You are the creator. So create. What are you doing? Not creating. If your life is not happening the way you want it to be, why are you not continuing imagining your life how you want it to be? Now, I'm saying all of this because, as we all know, Neville Goddard, his mentor Abdullah, the black mystic from Ethiopia, taught him that he is the creator. And he asked of Neville, what are you doing? Not creating. When Neville went to Abdullah and was rejoicing with a third class mentality, and Abdullah put him in his rightful place and remind him to think first class. And Abdullah said to him, who told you that you have gone to Barbados? I told you went to Barbados and you would have gone there first class. He was affirming that we must always live in our first class mentality, whereby we understand that it is our own thoughts that is creating our reality and our personality, whereby we understand that everything is mental, everything is psychological, and we understand that the kingdom of God is within. Also, he was affirming to Neville that everything is energy, vibration, and frequency. I'm just waiting for the breeze or the wind to simmer down just a little. Okay? And so it wasn't until Neville was willing to accept his creative self that he was able to prove that he is a creator, and that we all have been given the creative power to achieve our every desire. So my brother and my sisters, the lesson I'm trying to teach you is that we all came here to learn in art school. And in art school we must learn to manipulate energy. In other words, to create our reality. And that's the only how that we would know for ourselves that the Creator lives. And He lives within us. And that the Creator, our God in man, is man's imagination. That's the reason why you're told in the Bible, in St. John 1 and 3, that all things were made by Him. And without Him was not anything made that was made. The good news I have for you is that Him is not a man 2,000 years ago. That Him is only a personification that represents the human imagination, teaching you that everything that has ever been made and ever would be made, it must first be imagined. It must first be a thought. It must first be an idea. Therefore, my encouragement to you is to tap in to the world of possibilities. And the world of possibilities lies within you. And that is why Matthew 6:33 tells you where to find the world of possibilities. When it says to you to seek first to know thyself. Because the kingdom of God is within you, according to Luke 17:21. And it says that when you seek first the kingdom, and you discover the kingdom, and the righteousness that is within you, showing you that righteousness is a discovery also, that all these things that you so desire will be added unto you, because you will discover that the creative power is in you. In other words, the secret of creation lies in you. Therefore, eternity also is in the mind of man. And that is in Ecclesiastes chapter 3 and 11. Everything is downloaded within you. And so, my brother and my sisters, the 1,000 cattle on a hill belongs to you. Abundance and prosperity is your birthright. It's your natural state of being. So, let me just say this as I come to a close. You are the creator. So why are you not creating? What are you doing? Not still trusting your imagination. In other words, do not give up on your goals and your dreams. And do not forget You must always go to bed consciously and awake consciously, knowing what you want, knowing that you can create your life how you want it to be if you understand how important it is to honor the way how you go to bed by having the right thoughts, and the way you awake by having the right thoughts also. So your whole life is wrapped up in how you go to bed and how you awake. So awake to your greatness. Awake to growth and expansion in your life. Awake to understand that you are the key to create your life the best way you want it to be. So with that being said, my brother and my sisters, I want to thank you very much. And I want to say to you, if this is the very first time that you're listening to me and what I'm saying, it excites you and it really resonates with you and it really bless you, and you haven't subscribed already, I'm encouraging you to subscribe, to like, to comment, or to share this video. Also, if you would like to follow me on Instagram or on TikTok, you can follow me at Black Mad Guru. And also, if you feel strongly led to support this work, we have a link, a PayPal link, and it's down below. Feel free to check it out. Now, I want to mention my Patreon also, and it is available to everyone. But we have a course there that is called the Inner Sun Science and Technology to Create Your Reality Consciously, or the Inner Sun Engineering. And that is for persons who are donating at least $20 or more. If you feel strongly led to check it out, I will definitely encourage you to do so also. So with that being said, my brother and my sister, I want to say peace, love you all, I'm out.